Let me show you guys how to make the perfect chicken breast so you can get your wife to shut the hell up and let you go fishing. Let's get into it. Salt and pepper, simple, brown. Make sure your pan is scorching hot. Get some really good color on there. Sprinkle some lemon pepper seasoning. Throw it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees. Let's go. Here's a little trick. However long you cook your chicken is how you rest your chicken. Take that liquid gold, put it back on the heat. Make sure it gets nice and hot. Now drizzle it. Drizzle it, baby. Put it all over that chicken. Tell her to put that in her mouth. Shut the hell up while you grab the rods and go fishing. Yes, Lord!